guys, morning. Today is Sunday. Yan, sobrang malamig ngayon. Negative 8 feels like negative 17 here in Cambridge, Ontario. Time check 7:21. So ayan, we are going to Etobicoke. Bali kumpil ni Daniela. So magnininang tayo sa kumpil. Kasama ko si nanay. Ayan sa likod hindi kita. At saka si JL. Ayan, kinuha lang. So it's so cold now. Oh, feeling guwapo. Yan. Yan. Hi guys, vlog muna tayo. Hello! We're going to Mandarin.
Celebration for confirmation.
Presentation of confirmation. Ayan. Count ang mga 60 ang mga senior. Ayan, they asking for a discount. They go all together here. We are here at Happy Chinese New Year.
Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. Or you want to dyan, Daniela, o dito? Kay ano? Dyan na. Okay. Ka-level lang mga magaganda. Doesn't matter. Ang ganda, mas magandang ambience dito. Kasi pinupuntahan namin sa Kitchener. It's better here. These are the choices. Ayan. Maraming choices dito sa Mandarin. Oh, I like this one. This is the one that I like. I'm gonna grab this one later. So I'm just gonna show first what they have. Ayan. Mas maganda ang ambience dito sa Toronto. And they have more foods. Oh. They have more foods here. Almost the same, but it's bigger. Now I'm going to get my foods.
2 hours later.
So guys, andito ako sa Seafood City. Ano ako sa Baler. So may nag-order ng lakay. Bili muna ako ng pang-gising na kanila. So, sa mga hindi nakakaalam, nag-reserve ako ng Valerius bread.